This is how to make a perfect ice cream at the comfort of your own space. All you need is 3 or 4 ingredients for this, depending on the flavor you want. So stick to the end of this video to learn how to make it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. So for this ice cream recipe, we will be needing condensed milk. I'm going to be putting you through how to make it yourself. All you need is your 1 cup of powdered milk of choice, then half cup of sugar. Mix this together properly. You can actually cook this on a low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes if you have enough time. But if you're making any recipe that requires condensed milk and you don't want to cook yours, all you need to do is to make sure that your condensed milk mixture is very thick so that it will give that condensed milk vibe. And also, if you want to be reserving some of your condensed milk for a very long time, or you have some leftover you're going to be using weeks later, all you need to do is to add a little bit of lemon juice inside it to avoid going bad. On to the next part is mixing our whipped cream. And what I use here is 1.5 cup of whipped cream. I went in with 2 cups of chilled water, almost blocked water, mixed together with my wooden spatula before mixing it with my mixer. But if you don't have electric mixer, don't worry, just get yourself manual hand whisk. It will also give you the same result as electric mixer. Just follow this simple procedure. While using manual hand whisk, for 1.5 cup of whipped cream, what you will need is half cup of cold water. Then once you get it mold, increase the water if necessary. Using this method, you'll be able to get your whipped cream mold fast. For those of us using a electric mixer, please don't overmix your whipped cream. Then go in with 1 cup of condensed milk. Do you see how creamy this is looking? Also add your 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is what manual hand whisk look like. You can buy it from any baking store around you. So in continuation, once you add your condensed milk and vanilla extract, you can mix this together with your spatula, whisk, or you can also continue with your electric mixer. I still use my spatula to turn it around to make sure that everything is well combined. Now to the next step, which is coloring our ice cream. So I want to achieve strawberry and moon brew ice cream. So I'm going to color this using food color. To avoid adding so much color in your ice cream, I would advise you to add it bit after bit. Maybe you can just add 2 drops. Mix it together and see the intensity of the color. Then increase it if needed. I already know how much I needed. That's why I added it that way. So please add your own bit by bit to avoid making a mistake. To achieve my strawberry color, what I used was red velvet food color. You can also get strawberry food color just like I get my blue moon color. But recently I have run out of my strawberry color. I have to make use of what I have at hand. Mix this together and layer it in your pan. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video by yourself. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube page.